Hi, in this video so I'm going to show you how you can put together and also take apart your Shark Flexbreeze fan. Might be useful if you're setting it up for the first time or you've been using it for the summer and you want to pack it away for winter. So to begin with, we've got this bit here. This bit is probably the hardest bit to do, but it's still very straightforward. Remember to line up the hole here with the power bit here and also this button here, and then you will find it will go together really nicely. Be careful because there is a power cable in there, so just like so. You can see it won't go on the wrong way. Just make sure that these ones are lined up and then it will go in nicely like that, and just click it home so that that pushes out there. Then if you have a look, there's a little yellow dot just here. We need to line up the yellow arrow with the dot. So it's going to go on this way here with the yellow arrow towards the dot. And then that just pushes down home like so. It doesn't click or anything, that's just the pressure fits in. We're now going to get the main top bit, and if you have a look, we have this massive big hole here. We've got the main top bit here, and can you see we have this big button here. We need to line up that button with that hole there, and we're just going to drop that into place and it clicks in like so. And as far as the power cable goes, we're unplugged at the moment, that fits into this part here like so. So that's how to put it together. Don't forget, you can always take this top bit out and you can open this up and you can plug the power cable straight into this top bit. So you can plug it in like that, and also this way around as well, like that. Right, so let's quickly put this back in, and then we're now going to dismantle it. So pretend now it's the end of the summer and you don't need the fan anymore. First things first, in here with the thumb, and we've got a handle here to lift up, and you're just going to lift this out and put that to one side. This is just a pressure fit in here, so you might find it easier to actually stand on this bit and then grab this here and lift it up like so. And then to separate this bit, use your thumb in the button here and just nice and gently pull that out, not too hard, and fold it over. And you can now see that that is nice and small, ready to go back in the box or another box or bag. So that's it, that's how to put together and also dismantle your Shark Flexbreeze. Thanks for watching.